A Southern Dairy brand just acquired a rupee 280 crores regional player, giving it a strategic hold in Bihar and Jharkhand while pushing its national milk procurement and value-added gain. Meanwhile, an infrastructure firm secured its second order from the Jaipur Development Authority, cementing its rising position in India's railway projects with a rupee 5,362 crores order book. Now, these two companies are going regional to national and fast. So let's explore the strategy behind their evolving dominance. Hi and welcome to another edition of Noisemaker, जहां पर हम चीजें सिंपल रखकर फोकस करते हैं उन कंपनीज पर जो कि अक्सर स्पॉटलाइट में नहीं होती, बट दे हैव अ रियली गुड ग्रोथ पोटेंशियल इन द लॉन्ग रन। आई एम सेजल अग्रवाल, इक्विटी रिसर्च एनालिस्ट एट डेस्वेलाडो एडवाइजरी, और आज हम बात करेंगे ऐसी ही दो कंपनीज के बारे में जो कल को अपने बिजनेस में सॉलिड प्रोग्रेस कर रही हैं, एंड इफ द करंट ट्रेंड्स रिमेन इंटैक्ट दे माइट कंटिन्यू टू ग्रो इवन फर्दर। बट बिफोर जंपिंग टू द कंपनीज, लेट्स सी द डिस्क्लेमर फर्स्ट. So any discussions, facts or writings provided here are for informational purposes only and do not constitute any buy or sell recommendation. So please conduct your own due diligence before making any investment decision. Now let's move to the first company. So the first company is Dodla Dairy, which is a household name in southern India, जो कि अब एग्रेसिवली एक्सपैंड करने का प्लान कर रही है इन द ईस्ट इंडिया। कंपनी ने अभी रिसेंटली अप्रूव किया है 100% एक्विजिशन ऑफ HR फूड प्रोसेसिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड OSAM फॉर रुपीज 271 crores, and this move brings rupees 280 crores in additional sales and provides an instant foothold in Bihar and Jharkhand, regions with strong milk demand and lower penetration from organized players. Now what's more is OSAM's established supply chain and plants that integrate well into Dodla's plan to scale up to 18 LLPD milk procurement in India and 20 LLPD overall by FY26. The company's strategy also emphasizes boosting revenue from value-added products like curd, paneer, and aiming to push these to 35% plus of total revenue, which is a key margin lever. Now coming to the numbers, company reported strong financial performance in FY25 where its revenue grew by 19%, EBITDA came in at rupees 380 crores with margins at 10.2% and net profit margin at 6.9%. Going forward, Dodla has no long-term debt, strong cash reserves and just commissioned a new Maharashtra plant, setting the stage for pan-India volume growth. On the international side, Dodla expects 15 to 16% annual growth in Africa, with Kenya and Uganda showing rising demand. EBITDA margins of 13 to 14% in these regions ensure healthy profit contribution from abroad. Additionally, the Orgafeed subsidiary is targeting approx 50% revenue growth in FY25 to rupees 200 crores by scaling its animal feed business, which is helping Dodla to build procurement stability and margin resilience. Now let's move to the second company. Vishnu Prakash R. Punglia Limited, which is an infrastructure company, it's making waves with its rising focus on railway and government-led water projects. कंपनी ने recently 77.9 crores का road overbridge contract secure किया है from Jaipur Development Authority, which is their second JDA order this year after an earlier rupee 54 crores win. With this addition, company's order book now exceeds rupees 5,362 crores and it's actively bidding for another 4,500 crores in projects. The strategic shift towards railway and centrally funded missions like Namami Gange provides more predictable cash flows, stronger execution timelines, and lower payment cycle risk. Now talking about financials, company closed FY24 revenue at 1,473 crores, but FY25 was softer at 1,237 crores due to lumpy project billing. However, Q4 FY25 saw 68% revenue growth quarter on quarter, reaching rupees 405 crores, with FY25 EBITDA at rupees 154.4 crores and EBITDA margins at 12.5% and net profit margins at 4.7%. Going forward, company is now guiding for 10 to 15% revenue growth in FY26, with EBITDA margin expected to exceed 13%. Management is confident that better order mix and execution in rail and sewage projects will drive a margin-led recovery. With strong order visibility and a clear pivot towards centrally funded projects, VPR Punglia is aligning itself with sectors that offer stability and scale. Now let's review some of our previous picks that we covered in our previous Noisemakers. So here we have Gabriel India Limited, which is up by 28.5%, Bondada Engineering Limited, which is down by 10.1%, Then we have EMS Limited, which is also down by 2.4%. Garvey Technical Fibers Limited, which is up by 3.9%. And last we have Enviro Infra Engineers Limited, which is up by 22.8%. Now, here is the QR code through which you can access these previous picks which we covered in our previous noisemakers. Now, let's move to the summary of the companies which we included in our today's noisemaker. So first we have Dudla Dairy Limited, which acquired OSAMs for 271 crore to expand into Bihar and Jharkhand. Strong FY25 growth and a focus on value-added products, African expansion and a robust fleet. Business signal sustained profitability. Vishnu Prakash Arpungia Limited, which secured 77.9 crores railway order and crossed 5,362 crores in order book, diversifying into more stable government-backed segment with margin-led growth projected for FY26. That's it for today's edition of Noisemaker. और अगर आपको हमारा ये breakdown informative लगा है, so you can scan the QR code to read the full report, and we'll be back soon with more simple and clear market updates. Until then, stay curious, stay ahead, and stay informed.